Hey guys, this is the channel where the Minecraft stuff and more. I'm back with another clock video. What you're looking at here is a Howard Miller Lambourn wall clock, model number 620-220, and yeah, so I got this clock. This is the other clock I got for Christmas of 2020, and yeah, it's my very first Howard Miller clock. Howard Miller dual chime, yes. And this is a dual chime clock. So, yeah, it plays Ave Maria and Westminster Chime. It's got a dual chime Kininger movement in there. And yeah, so, yeah, yeah, uh, I'm very glad to have this clock since Howard Miller is my favorite clock company of all time. And yeah, we're gonna, well, when the minute hand hits the 3, it'll chime the quarter after of the Ave Maria chime, and yeah, I do love the way this clock looks. I'll remember to send a picture of the tag in the back of the movement at the end of this video, and yeah, also, as you can hear, it does make a ticking noise on the pendulum, like the very top of the lyre part, and so yeah, we are going to hear it chime. Also, if you do hear any people talking, then please excuse that, cause yeah, it's kind of muffled down in the basement. I mean, it's not too muffled, but it's muffled enough where, yeah, anyways, yeah, we're gonna hear it chime, and it's gonna be on there like very soon. Also, this is temporarily hanging in the basement in my aunt's house, and so yeah, just want to tell you that because I temporarily hung it here while we're staying here, and yeah, okay, we're gonna hear it chime now. It should chime in a few seconds. We're gonna wait. Okay, now here's a half-hour chime of the Ave Maria chime, and also, for some of those don't know, this actually has the same exact chime sounds for Ave Maria as well as on the Hermel movements that were on Seth Thomas quartz clocks, as well as some Bolivar ones and other stuff. So yeah, just want to let you know that, because this hasn't been filmed on all 4 quarter hours until now. And I do have a video of a clock. I want to chime first. Okay. Also, I do have a video on my channel of a Seth Thomas Westminster Ave Maria mantle clock that you can see, so I recommend you go check that out. See, and the Ave Maria chime on that one sounds exactly like the one on this one. That one has a Hermley quartz movement. This one has a Kininger quartz movement, like most, if not all, Howard Miller dual chimes do. Anyways, let's go to the quarter till chime of Ave Maria. Okay, now here's a quarter till version of the Ave Maria chime. Should chime in a few seconds. We're just going to wait. In a few seconds, actually, to be exact. Sorry for the reflections of the objects. Okay, now here's a full Ave Maria chime with the hour strike. And yes, again, sorry for the people talking upstairs. It's muffled when you're in the basement. All right, don't mind that. You know, yeah, it's it's muffled, but not too muffled. Muffled enough though. Alrighty, it's gonna chime now about. Okay, now do the Westminster Chime also on each quarter hour. Okay, so here's the quarter after Westminster Chime. Also, I gotta tell you something that can't remember what I was gonna say, but I'll say that in another clip, or I'll put in this in the description. Actually, you got some of you probably know that Howard Miller is my favorite clock company of all time. That's one of the things I was gonna say right there. So yeah. Anyways, we'll hear this one chime at 4:15. Should go about now or something. Okay, there it goes. Alright. Okay, now here's a half-hour Westminster Chime. And if you do hear any people talking upstairs, you can just ignore that. That's why I obviously keep saying if I record while there's people talking, you know? Yeah, that kind of part. Alright, it's gonna chime like right now or something, or a few seconds, I don't know. But I am going to wait. There it goes. Okay. Now I got that chime. Okay. Now here's the quarter till Westminster Chime. Right here. Okay, and here's a full Westminster Chime. Also, if you hear any people talking upstairs, I'm sorry for that. And I also put a piece of tape right there on the top of the pendulum lyre so that it won't make that, so the pendulum won't make that ticking noise when it's going back and forth. So yeah, just letting you know that. Alright, and that is it. That is my Howard Miller Lambourn dual chime wall clock. And oh yeah, model number 620-220. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. The channel Random Minecraft Stuff and More, out.